Once you create a new YouTube channel, there is a need for you to upload your profile picture or your icon. And in the case of existing channel where you probably removed your profile picture or your icon, there is a need for you to replace it with new one. This tutorial is going to show you step by step the process in which you'll be able to upload or change your profile picture on YouTube. Once you head to your browser, you click on youtube.com. Remember to subscribe to this channel if this is your first time of visiting my channel. Here I create tutorials on how to enhance YouTube growth, Google AdSense, and some other amazing tutorials too. So once you now click on your youtube.com, you click on your icon. As you can see, the icon is no profile picture there. Once you click on your icon, you now navigate to YouTube Studio. So once you navigate to YouTube Studio, this is the dashboard of your channel. You proceed and you scroll down this point to customization. You click on customization. So once you click on customization, you will say layout, branding, and basic information. So you click on branding. So this is where you'll be able to upload both your profile picture and your banner. In the case of profile picture, you click on upload. You will now be required to select the picture you want to use. I'll be covering my information. So once you're done selecting the picture, you click on open. The picture will now preview. If you like it that way, you click on done. Then you proceed and you click on publish. At this time, for security purpose, you will verify that it is you. You now proceed to get the OTP Google will be sending to your account. You choose the way in which you want to get your verification code. I'll be going by text. So once you receive the code into your mobile phone, you now input the code. You click on next. At this point, you've succeeded in changing your profile picture on your YouTube. If you want to see it active at this point, you now click on refresh. So your profile picture has been changed. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.